Bayraktar TB2, the drone that redefined modern warfare. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones, have become one of the most influential military technologies of the 21st century. Among them, the Bayraktar TB2, designed and manufactured by Turkey's Bayraktar Defense, stands out as a system that has dramatically shaped the way wars are fought and perceived. From the battlefields of the Middle East to the skies over Eastern Europe, the Bayraktar TB2 has gained not only operational success but also global attention for its affordability, reliability, and combat effectiveness. Origins and development. The Bayraktar TB2 project began in the early 2000s when Turkey sought to reduce dependence on foreign defense suppliers. Turkish engineers, led by Bayraktar, focused on developing an indigenous drone platform capable of performing reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike missions. By 2014, the TB2 entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces. Since then, it has become the backbone of Turkey's drone fleet and has been exported to multiple countries. The TB2 quickly became a symbol of Turkey's rising defense industry. What makes it unique is not just the technology, but the philosophy behind it. An affordable, scalable, and combat-proven drone accessible to many countries that cannot afford expensive Western systems. Technical specifications. The Bayraktar TB2 is classified as a medium-altitude long-endurance male tactical UAV. It has a wingspan of 12 meters and can fly at altitudes of up to 27,000 feet. The drone has an endurance of about 27 hours, allowing it to loiter over a battlefield for extended periods, gathering intelligence or waiting for a strike opportunity. Its payload capacity is approximately 150 kilograms, which is enough to carry a mix of sensors and weapons. The TB2 typically carries Turkish-made precision-guided munitions such as the MAM-L and MAMC smart micro-munitions, capable of destroying armored vehicles, artillery positions, or fortified bunkers. Equipped with advanced electro-optical and infrared cameras, the drone can provide live intelligence, surveillance, and target acquisition to ground forces in real time. The TB2's ground control system allows operators to manage multiple drones simultaneously within a range of up to 300 kilometers. Satellite communication versions are also under development to extend its operational range even further. Combat-proven effectiveness. What elevated the Bayraktar TB2 from a simple drone to a global headline was its combat record. It first saw significant action in Syria and Libya, where it successfully targeted enemy tanks, artillery systems, and air defenses. However, its true rise to fame came during the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, where Azerbaijan used the TB2 with devastating effect against Armenian forces. Drone footage showing precision strikes went viral, highlighting how a relatively low-cost drone could neutralize expensive armored formations and air defense systems. The TB2's reputation was further solidified in Ukraine, where it became a symbol of resistance against Russian forces. Ukrainian operators used the drone to destroy supply convoys, artillery units, and even naval assets. Social media amplified its fame, turning it into not just a weapon but a cultural icon of modern warfare. Strategic impact. The Bayraktar TB2 represents a shift in military strategy. Traditionally, air dominance required expensive fighter jets, advanced missiles, and extensive logistics. The TB2, however, offers a cost-effective alternative. Priced at only a few $1 million per unit, it allows smaller nations to project air power without investing billions in advanced jets. For this reason, countries such as Qatar, Morocco, Poland, and even NATO member states have purchased the TB2. Its proliferation demonstrates a democratization of air power, where nations with limited defense budgets can still access precision strike capabilities. Moreover, the TB2 has highlighted the vulnerability of traditional ground forces to drone warfare. Tanks and artillery, once symbols of military strength, can now be neutralized by small, unmanned aircraft operating from safe distances. Limitations and countermeasures. Despite its success, the Bayraktar TB2 is not invincible. Advanced electronic warfare systems and integrated air defenses can neutralize or jam its operations. In conflicts against stronger militaries, TB2 losses have been reported. Yet, even with these limitations, the drone remains valuable because of its cost-to-effect ratio. Losing a drone worth a few $1 million is far less significant than losing a fighter jet worth hundreds of millions. Future outlook. Baker is already working on more advanced platforms, such as the Bayraktar TB2 and the Bayraktar TB2 which promise greater payload, higher endurance, and even jet-powered capabilities. However, the TB2 is expected to remain relevant for years to come due to its affordability, reliability, and proven combat history. Conclusion. The Bayraktar TB2 is more than just a drone. It is a case study in how innovation, affordability, and adaptability can change the balance of power on the battlefield. It has proven that smaller nations no longer need to rely entirely on superpowers for advanced military technology. By offering an effective and accessible system, the TB2 has redefined modern warfare, ensuring its place in history as one of the most influential drones of its era.